Hello everybody, I hope everyone is doing fine. So in this video we will be talking about some best and easy to use thumbnail makers and poster makers or YouTube cover makers, etc. I mean multi-purpose apps for you guys. So if you can take a look at my thumbnails. I mean they are not that bad. I mean they are good looking and attractive, as you can see, and tell me in comments as well. So we will be looking at almost 6 thumbnails which you can use, and they are easy to use and can be found on Play Store. So number 6 is search here thumbnail maker. So I want you to go for this one. I have also given the links in the description as well. So this thumbnail maker is very good and easy to use. Here are some examples. I mean you can make and create your thumbnails with this app. Okay, the second one I want to talk about is the ultimate thumbnail maker. Here is the one. So is the fifth one. So this thumbnail maker is better than the sixth one, of course. So here are some examples. Here you can see, I mean you can create professional level thumbnails with this app. Okay, now coming towards the fourth one, which is PicMonkey. This app comes with premium features as well, but you can use the free features of this app as well. So here are some looks. You can edit your photos and everything with this app. So this was the fourth one. So coming towards the third one is Snapseed. So Snapseed is one of the best graphic designing app out there. So here take a look at its examples, and it's completely free. You don't have to pay for anything, and it has a lot of functions, believe me. So here are the examples. Now coming towards the second one, which is Canva. This is used by many big, or you can say very famous YouTubers as well. So here you can create and design your own thumbnails, logos, posters, covers, etc. Here are the examples as you have seen. Now coming towards the number one, which is Adobe Sparkpost. I mean it's my favorite. I'm currently using it for my thumbnails of my videos, and it's fantastic. It has also premium version as well, of course, which is even better, but you can use its free version and it's still very epic. So here are the examples. So let me show you my videos again. These current thumbnails, I have made these thumbnails on Adobe Sparkpost. So I hope this video was useful, and if this was, and if you agree with my top 6 best thumbnail makers, and this video, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and also share it with your friends who are new to YouTube and want to learn more about it. So see you guys in next video. Goodbye.